So friends, if you are looking for cleaning motivation and if you want to body double with me and clean with me as well, let's go ahead and do it. Hello lovely humans, welcome back to the vlog. And one thing that I don't really like doing, I'm not so much of a fan of, is cleaning the house. Pero ang kalat ng bahay, it's been a crazy week, crazy month, crazy quarter, and I need to do something about it. Kasi sobrang gulo na talaga niya. Pero for today, I'll take you along with me habang naglilinis ako just so I won't get bored and not do it again. I will be doing something called habit stacking. So habit stacking is basically stacking habits. So kung meron ka ng existing habit that preferably you like doing, you can stack another new habit na gusto mong i-build. So for myself, my existing habit is filming content and I also like filming content, and then I wanna stack a habit na hindi ko masyadong gustong gawin, which is cleaning the house. So let's do that today while I answer your questions. So ask you guys on Instagram to ask me questions para masagot ko for this video. So today, magchichikahan tayo, sasagutin ko ang inyong questions habang naglilinis ako. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's start here in the office. What are some underrated skills as a startup entrepreneur should have? So on top of my head, I have 3. First is adaptability. Second is time management. Third is stress management. I'll just get bagnet. So sa negosyo, sobrang bilis lagi ng lahat ng nangyayari. So you have to be able to adapt quickly sa mga diskarte mo, sa mga sistema mo, sa mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin kaagad. So madalas snappy, you do snappy decisions, and that is very crucial to your business. Kasi if not, there might be loss of income, and if there's loss of income, maraming pwedeng maapektuhan sa negosyo mo. So yes, adaptability. You have to be able to adapt quickly. Second is time management. Sobrang importante din ito, friends. Kasi lalo kapag nag-uumpisa ka pa lang, it's quite difficult. Kasi ikaw na yung may-ari, ikaw pa ang accountant, ikaw pa ang marketing, ikaw pa ang lahat-lahat, social media, etc. Noong umpisa, sobrang nag-struggle din ako dito. Pero what I really did was I really took my time seriously. I was very mindful of the things that I do and how I spend my time. And I try to spend it wisely. But of course, trying to balance everything in between as well. So for context, I have several businesses across different industries and I theme my week. So I have my entire calendar spread out within the week, and then merong mga themes yung kada araw ko. So say for example, for me, Monday, Tuesday is meetings, Wednesday, Thursday is content, Friday is hahabulin ko lahat ng mga hindi ko nagawa within that week. So for you, if you're a solopreneur or if mag-isa ka pa lang sa negosyo, your week could mean like Monday, Tuesday is admin days. So lahat yan, your emails, your numbers, your accounting, etc. Pwedeng saan mo yan ilagay. And then Wednesdays, Thursdays could be your creative days. So it could mean social media content, planning your social media calendar, planning your marketing. And then Friday could be your habol day. I always have this habol day because I am a self-confessed procrastinator. Hindi ko alam kung kayo rin ba. Pero marami talaga akong mga tasks from Monday to Thursday na admittedly hindi ko nagagawa. And oftentimes, I overcommit myself sa kalendaryo. So, lahat ng mga hindi ko nagawa from Monday to Thursday, gagawin ko ng Friday. Para pag Saturday, Sunday, medyo, makaka-relax na ako. Ayun, time management. Hindi pala ako nag-aayos. Ba't ako koda ng koda? Hindi naman ako nag-aayos. Okay, let's do this. Third one is stress management. Eto na. So, friends, business is one of the stressful things that you'd be doing in your life. Okay, ramdam nyo ba yung ano ko doon? Pero hindi naman yan mawawala. So, if you're a small business owner, if you're an entrepreneur, kailangan mo nang tanggapin sa sarili mo na you will be a problem solver of everything. Whether may staff ka na or wala ka pang staff, you will literally eat stress for breakfast. And tinanggap ko na yan sa sarili ko. Dati, nasa stress pa ako na, problema na naman. But I realized I am here to assist my team. I am here to assist my clients. I am here to assist my guests if there's anything na kailangan nila. tanggap ko na yun. Basically, tanggap ko na stressful ang pagnanegosyo and I need to also take care of myself for that. Kasi if stressed ako, maraming maaapektuhan sa negosyo. Wait. So, things I do to manage my stress, number 1 is I have a sacred morning routine. So, I wake up at 7, do my spirituality. So, that's my journaling, my meditation, etc. And then by 7:30, I meet my trainer, si Miss O. And I really find time to move, especially on weekdays. Especially during the days na alam kong stressful or alam ko na hectic. I really find time to move. And honestly, hindi ko akalain na I'd be that person who would tell you na mag-workout ako dahil stressed ako. Kasi parang dati, initially parang, stressed ka na nga, mag-workout ka pa, pahirapan mo pa yung sarili mo. But I realized when I was getting older and I was getting all of these wisdom with entrepreneurship and in life, I realized na, hey, kailangan pala talaga kasi I feel like kapag nagbubuhat ako or nag-airbike ako or naglalakad ako, it gives me a certain, parang nare-release lahat ng stress ko. I swear, friends, if hindi ka pa naniniwala dito, just try it one time. Like, if you're feeling down and naiirita ka or meron kang upcoming difficult conversation that you'll do in your business or in life, lakad ka lang. Lakad ka maybe 10 to 15 minutes sa labas and hindi ko sinasabing mawawala yung problema, pero I swear you'd feel better. So there. So I have my spirituality, I have my movement. I also, started cleaning up my nutrition. So I also have my nutritionist who helped me with that. As much as possible, I cook my own meals. If I'm going out, I'm very mindful with what I eat. And with that, sobrang nakatulong din talaga siya sa mental health ko. And accepting also that if I'm tired, I need to rest. And in terms of resting, I make it a priority to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. That is really a non-negotiable. Of course, meron ding mga days na medyo puyat, pero I will make sure to recuperate and, allow myself to rest and sleep. Kasi if you are a business owner, hindi ka makakapag-isip ng maayos pag puyat. Alam nyo naman yun. Kahit hindi ka nga negosyante, if puyat ka, ang hirap talaga mag-isip, diba? What is the greatest lesson you have learned in business and in life? Sobrang daming lessons, for sure. But one thing on top of my head is that you are not alone and it's okay to ask for help. And this was a really huge thing for me because as a panganay in an Asian household, I was really raised to figure things out on my own. Na since ako yung panganay sa pamilya, dapat I have to figure it out myself. Walang ibang mas matanda sa akin to help things out. And sa negosyo noon, nag-uumpisa pa lang din kami ni Josh. Walang ibang tumutulong sa amin. Wala kaming mapagtanungan also kasi wala naman kaming kilalang ibang negosyante. Wala kaming ibang friends na nagnanegosyo. So we sort of figured it out ourselves as well. And yun yung isa sa mga natutunan ko, TBH, na just ask people, reach out to them. Kasi dati na i-intimidate pa akong makipag-usap sa ibang mga business owners kasi baka mamaya hindi naman nila ako pansinin. But trust me, friends, all of these successful entrepreneurs are also very willing to help. They are very, very generous. And it's also because gusto rin talaga nilang makatulong sa ibang mga negosyante. Mas parang nare-realize ko na, shucks, kung matagal ko na palang tinanong tong taong to, very willing naman pala siyang tulungan ako. So there, in life and in business, friends, do not be afraid to ask questions. You will definitely be connected to people who are willing to help. Of course, meron ding mga medyo flukes na tipong di ka papansinin, but that's okay. Just keep on asking people. Never be afraid of asking kasi mas doon mo talaga makukuha yung sagot mo in business and in life. I'll just try to put everything here because this is our PR table. So anything that I need to film, mga gifts, ganyan, dito ka talaga siya nilalagay. So let's be okay with not clearing this table, but I'll just try to organize it as much as I can. I also put my bags here. So my usual bags that I use para hindi ko na mahirap i-arrange. Especially sa industriya, like sa skincare, sa e-commerce, sa real estate. I also gained a few friends already. And honestly, halos lahat sa aming mga brand owners, halos magkakakilala din kami. We talk to each other. We ask for each other's help. For example, I have a hiccup. And then I ask a brand owner. Like, for example, si Nina of Colorette. Madam, ito yung na-encounter ko ngayon. Paano mo ba siya ginawa? Anong diskarte mo with this one? And I like it that the industry is now more collaborative. So, ayun. One of the biggest lessons on top of my head is ask for help. You are not alone in life and in business. If gusto nyong gumawa ako ng mga lessons I learned for 2024, maybe, ito na naman ako, nag-overcommit na naman si ate girl. Pero if gusto nyo yan, let me know in the comments just so I'd see if there's an interest there. Friends, I got into a new hobby. Ito mga sticker siya. Ito, ang cute niya. Oh my gosh. Wait. Ito yung finished product na. But it looks like this. Ganito siya. So, parang there are stickers like this. Tapos ilalagay mo siya dito sa parang blank room. And then you design it with the stickers. And it should look something like this when it's finished. Ang cute, diba? Ito yung mga simple ones na nagawa ko. Because I've also been trying to limit my screen time, especially after work. So I end my work around 6 p.m. I try to end my work around 6 p.m. But lately, I've been going back to overworking again, which is not good for me. Kasi alam niyo naman yan, friends. I am a recovering workaholic. So, I'm just, doing stress management. Kasi nakaka-shutdown talaga siya ng, alam mo yun, nakaka-off siya ng utak. Kasi titignan mo lang yung design dito, tapos lagyan mo ng stickers, ganun. So, yan. Nabili ko lang to sa Orange app. I'll put the links below. I'll also be doing another shoot later to thank all of these amazing people, amazing friends who have been giving me gifts. And also small business owners who have been sending me gifts. Thank you so much. Gusto ko lang din talagang makatulong sa kanila to, spread the word about their businesses. There! So I guess okay na to. That's the best I can do. It's okay. Yan. It's not the best, but it's tidier than kanina. Okay, let's move on. When to stop and venture a different business. So, I have 3 things that I ask myself kung itutuloy ka pa ba o hindi yung negosyo. Question number 1 is that, did I do everything I can to save this business? If yes, then tuloy. Second question, meron pa bang pera ang negosyong to? Does the number still make sense? Meron pa bang demand? Meron pa bang mga taong pwedeng bumili sa negosyo na to? Because for number 2, the numbers really should make sense. Kasi if hindi na kumikita yung negosyong yon or wala nang taong bibili para sa negosyong yon, walang sense na ituloy pa rin siya. But if there is demand, third is I ask myself, do I still have the energy to find money for this business? Kasi minsan, nade-discourage tayo kasi wala nang pera yung negosyo, wala nang bumibili, etc. Pero, what if there's an idea that you should try pa before ka mag-give up? There will be a lot of forks or crossroads like that in business. Pero ako personally, if may energy pa ako para i-continue yung business na yon or hanapan ng pera tong negosyong to specifically, I still go for it. But if not, if alam kong wala na akong energy for it, alam kong hindi na siya worth it, I let go. Kasi yung mga negosyo natin are really very close to our hearts. I know, minsan masakit, minsan mahirap mag-let go sa isang negosyo. Pero if walang yes dun sa tatlo na yun, yung number 1 is, did I do everything? Does it still have money? And do I still have energy for this? If lahat yan, no. You have to be very logical and be smart as an entrepreneur to just let go of the business. Kasi, if not, sisip-sip ng oras mo yan, sisip-sip siya ng pera mo, maybe your savings, or pera ng ibang negosyo mo. And I learned that the hard way. Kasi before, sobrang attached ko to my businesses na tipong, okay, kaya pa yan hanggang sa na-deplete yung resources namin, na-deplete na rin yung resources ng mga ibang negosyo namin. So, ayun lang, a gentle reminder na yes, our businesses are really very important to us, but you really have to be logical with your business decisions as well. There. In fairness, natapos ko tong matagal ko nang pinaprocrastinate na sofa just because of answering your questions. Who is she? Thank you. Thank you for helping me be productive today. So friends, if you are looking for cleaning motivation and if you want to body double with me and clean with me as well, let's go ahead and do it. And speaking of motivation, hanggang dito lang po ang kaya ng motivation ko and energy ko to clean. Thank you again so much for cleaning with me. I want to make this a series. Okay, so if you are not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe and follow me everywhere. I am at Rizza Lana. Maraming salamat, lovely human, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!